Hello everyone. In this tutorial we're going to be covering on how to enter a crew entry or a group entry, and that's pretty much entering time and quantity for more than one person. And as all the other videos, I like to start off with clicking on the preferences button first, just to make sure that we have sync when logging in set to yes and show quantity collection on time entry screen set to yes. If that is already set up in your AL Mobile, go ahead and click on the orange action arrow on the bottom left and save. And hit synchronize data to save your preferences. Once that syncs, we could go ahead and click on time entry. And I already have a crew set up here for demonstration purposes. So we want to go ahead and click on the group icon on the bottom left. And here you can select who in the group you want to enter time and quantity for. If we do not want Cameron included in the group today because he didn't work, you can go ahead and uncheck him, and for the rest of your employees the time will be entered. But we're going to want to go ahead and have the entire crew selected. Once everyone is squared away, you can go ahead and click on OK. Make sure you have the correct date selected, and from here we go ahead and start the time entry process. Once you have entered all the respective fields, make sure your hours type is set to straight or overtime or whatever it may be. Sometimes it's set to default, or it defaults on DT. It's happened multiple times in the past. If it does happen to you, just make sure you click ST, but I don't think that should be an issue. From here, just enter your quantities and your time. And to save your time, click on the clock on the bottom left. And when your clock turns orange, that's just confirming that you have time entered. Once you have entered everything, click on the save button. And it's stating that all 9 entries have been saved successfully. So you can go ahead and click on OK. And to confirm that you have time entered, here we can see that we have 8 hours across the board. As far as the quantity is concerned, quantity will only be saved to the first person by alphabetical order within the group, in this case being William. So to check that we do have quantity selected or entered, click on William. And this graph here confirms that quantity has been entered. So your 50 quantities have been saved. So click on back again, and once we're on the main screen, sync your data and time will be sent to the back office.